everyone, here is our coding analysis to showcase the important abilities or elements of our ATM banking system program.
In our banking system, user is required to select language, 1 for English, 2 for Bahasa Melayu. After language selection, the user enters a PIN for security that consists of 6 digits. Then, our main menu is provided with options which are cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, interbank transfer and exit. Firstly, cash withdrawal. User can choose between current and saving accounts. The minimum withdrawal amount is RM50. So in this code, we enter RM100 for the amount. The transaction fee will be RM1. User can choose either they want to print a receipt or not. Next, we do the second test run for balance inquiry. This menu is for the user to check the balance for their current or savings account. After entering the PIN security, the user needs to enter number 2 for balance inquiry. Then user is required to enter number 1 for current account or 2 for saving account. In result, the expected output will be your balance is RM181.59. Lastly, user can choose either they want a receipt or not. So here we show the difference between the one with and without receipt. Now, we move on with the third test run for interbank transfer. This menu allows user to transfer money within the bank or to another bank. For transfers within the bank, there will be no transaction fee. There are 3 methods of transaction which are 1 for current or saving, 2 for financing and 3 for credit card. For the user who wants to transfer money to other bank, the user needs to select the recipient bank code and there will be 13 codes provided for the bank choices. Next, user is required to enter the recipient account number and minimum amount of money which is RM50 or more, followed by the receipt printing.
Lastly, our program provides an exit program for user to choose if they want to end the program. Okay, that's all for the test runs of our coding. Now, let's move on to test cases. So here is the test case 1 for invalid PIN. As we can see here, the user entered more than 6-digit PIN and the invalid PIN should terminate with an error message. For the next test case is invalid choice for language selection. This happens when user enter other number except for 1 and 2. And then we also have tested other case which is invalid amount of money. When user enter less than minimum amount of money required, the program will be terminated. Lastly, invalid code for interbank transfer. The user is given 13 bank choices. An error message will appear if the user enter other number except for 1 to 13.